Department of Justice is stepping in and recognizing that this law goes beyond anything that is appropriate or constitutional.
Planned Parenthood speaking out tonight about the Attorney General's big plan to fight Texas's new abortion law. Good evening, everybody, and thanks for choosing KLBK News. I'm Matt Stella. Terry is off tonight. The DOJ says it's suing the state over the new heartbeat ban, calling it unconstitutional. KLBK's Grace Morris spoke with America's largest abortion provider about this announcement. Grace, do they think there's a chance it'll work out for them in court?
Matt, Planned Parenthood says they're encouraged by the Justice Department's latest move, but still have major concerns over the restrictiveness of the law, and saying that since it went into effect, they've had to turn patients away and even refer them to out-of-state clinics.
We have enormous concerns about this law and how extreme it is.
It's been just over a week since Texas's new abortion bill, SB 8, became law, barring any abortions from happening in the state of Texas after 6 weeks of pregnancy.
No state has ever gone so far and denied so many women their right to access an abortion safely.
But the Department of Justice stepping in Thursday and announcing that they are filing a lawsuit against the state of Texas over SB 8.
We were very heartened to see the U.S. Department of Justice take this so seriously and step in.
The lawsuit looks to declare the law invalid under both the Supremacy Clause and the 14th Amendment, and also hopes to stop the implementation and enforcement of the law.
This ban and any type of ban on abortion, it doesn't make the need for abortion go away, right? So patients will seek abortions.
June was the last time an abortion was performed in Lubbock due to the city's own ban on abortions. But now some women who are seeking an abortion in Lubbock are being referred to out-of-state clinics due to this new law.
Patients are still reaching out. They are still seeking an abortion. The question is whether they can access that abortion safely in a healthcare setting. And if not, where they may have to go and whether they'll be able to get there.
But for now, Planned Parenthood says their doors are still open.
Our commitment has been to making sure they can access abortions safely in a medical setting.
It's important to mention that Planned Parenthood does provide wellness exams, birth control, and cancer screening in addition to abortions. Planned Parenthood has also filed a lawsuit against this bill, one in the state and one in the federal court.